Welcome back. Let's get a check of our weather with meteorologist Garrett James, who joins us live from southern Utah. And Garrett, it has been quite the week.
Yeah, absolutely, Courtney. I think that says it in a nutshell, to say the least. You can even see parts of the avalanche that took place earlier in Logan Canyon, and we're looking at high conditions for avalanches to occur along and just east of I-15, and even a moderate risk around the Moab area. And that's going to continue over into tomorrow, but we're tracking a lot out there, and there's still more snow on the radar. We can see there is a few snow showers just east of Moab and just south of I-70, but the bulk of the precipitation is still in northern Utah. We can see around Park Valley, Logan, Ogden, Farmington, Salt Lake City, just east of there, even just surrounding the Draper area, but we can see it is in Provo at the present time. But if we do go ahead and take a look, we are still tracking more warnings out there. We are looking at winter storm warnings pretty much blanketing most of northern Utah, and we can actually see from Provo all the way to Park Valley, Logan, and then even east all the way into Rock Springs, winter storm warnings. But there is still a couple of winter weather advisories mixed in. We can see that just to the east of Delta. Let's go ahead and break down the long-range futurecast. We can see that that precipitation, well, it's going to continue overnight tonight, but it is going to be a little bit of few and far between before we see that next system moving in from the west. And as we see that, we're going to be looking at precipitation really starting to build in by tomorrow morning. Notice how we can see that precipitation starting to grow and multiply out west as it moves further to the east, as it gets closer to the Beehive State. We'll be tracking this moving in and really starting the next heaviest rounds of precipitation late in the evening and then overnight into Sunday, where it looks to stick around until the afternoon. That's when we start to see a little bit of it starting to letting up a little bit, but we're still going to be looking at precipitation chances heading into next week. Temperatures out there right now: 19 Rock Springs, 22 Evanston, 34 Provo, 30 in Milford, 23 in Cedar City, 35 St. George, 40 Lake Powell, then 41 in Hanksville, 32 Ely, 32 Elko, 40 Wendover, but lows tonight: 0 Evanston, 4 in Logan, 17 Ely, 16 Beaver, 17 in Hanksville, 22 Moab, 15 Blanding, 26 for St. George, and 22 for Salt Lake City. But highs tomorrow, we can see a few places trying to get above freezing in northern Utah, such as Salt Lake City, Nephi, Wendover right at freezing, 36 Ely, 45 St. George, 42 for Kanab. However, if we take a look at the Wasatch Front 7-day forecast, snow, and more snow Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We try and dry out Tuesday, but Tuesday looks to be the coldest day at 29. Then more snow on Wednesday and Thursday. St. George, on the other hand, well, bit of a different story. Slight chance for a little bit of rain on Sunday with temperatures in the 40s, but back to the 50s and almost near 60 by this time next week.